Hi everyone, Mayor Steve Allender. This is the March 25th update from City Hall. Well, our state lab test results are posted to the Department of Health website today. South Dakota now stands at 41 positive cases of this virus. The new one in Meade County, which you might have seen on the news, a Meade County resident who is a healthcare provider in Rapid City has tested positive. That person is isolated, and the Department of Health and others are investigating now. All of this really should be no surprise at this point. It's here. We're going to continue to see the numbers go up, and that doesn't really multiply your chances of getting sick. It's always been at the same basic level. It doesn't multiply your chances of having a serious illness or worse from this either. This is just what it is, and daily updates, and I would recommend local updates, are going to be where the real information of concern is at for the people in your community. Your local news organizations, your local government officials, your local health officials really are all on the same team here as far as providing good, reliable, and verified information for you. Our ambulance crew continues to transport sick patients. You know, there are some folks that we think fit the profile for COVID-19, but it's also the flu season, and there's a variety of other illnesses, seasonal illnesses that occur. We are here at City Hall sorting out our work-at-home employee issues, and we are still digesting the federal legislation pertaining to Family Leave Medical Act and emergency sick leave. All employers should be doing that. It's a little bit of reading and interpretation is necessary. Last night there was a hotel robbery. The RCPD is investigating, and we are currently working on alternative lodging space for first responders in order to keep them healthy, their families healthy, keep them at work during these long hours when they may have short rest periods. And that's all being done to make sure they're there to provide service for you. The city and county are now communicating regularly. We're sharing meeting space and times to share notes and work through some of the issues from local government that we see cropping up relative to this disease. We've also been in touch with Ellsworth Air Force Base, so we're getting regular updates from our friends at Ellsworth. The county is considering an ordinance based on the city ordinance that was passed, and their special meeting will be this Friday morning at 9 a.m. And remember that our city council meeting, we have a special city council meeting Friday evening, 6 o'clock p.m., where we will have the second reading of our emergency ordinance to put limitations on certain businesses. Today is the first day of our 1:30 p.m. press debriefing. That will be held here at City Hall, and we will be streaming live to our YouTube channel and also Facebook Live through the Rapid City Municipal Government Facebook page. And also local news media will be here. Many of them will be streaming live at the same time. And what we'll see differently in that briefing is we'll have a very brief rundown of the daily update. We'll point people to the sources of information, and then we will be able to share some of the strategic efforts that are going on here in the city, and also talk specifically about the city ordinance, the business closures, what the public's reaction has been. We will answer questions to those as well, and then the daily recommendations, the daily health recommendations. So tune into that, see if you like it. We're trying to figure out where you like to get information from us. We see the viewing attendance online for these YouTube viewings is dwindling over time, so I don't know if it's because we're all drunk on excess information or whether you're not finding this useful. So please give some feedback, let us know. what we're doing here at the city. We're trying to find the right channel for you. So thanks for tuning in today and for staying in touch, and we'll talk to you soon.